Let's go to the Prioritized Ideas and scroll to the bottom of the page. For a PDF document, click on the Download or Print as PDF. That will open a PDF document in your browser. Then you can print or download the document to your computer. For an Excel document, click on the Export to XLSX. That will download an Excel document that you can open and edit in your favorite spreadsheet application. Different sections of prioritization results are listed in different tabs. To send the results to yourself, your friend or your colleague by email, click on the Send by Email button.